remember way back, I mean way back, ages. 8th grade I think, feels like yesterday. Bowl cuts was the craze, I was crazy. Long blonde hair all over the place, and I'm pale as I ever was.
What's up YouTube, NBA's Life 100 here. As you can see, it's a regular old orange Nike box. So let's jump right into it. It is Air Foamposite 1, black and varsity red. You have your suggested retail of $200, but the Nike factory price of $120. So I'm sure you guys already know what this is. There they are, the Cough Drop Foamposites. Big shout out to Reezy. He sent these to me. I'll be shipping, we'll actually ship your shoes already, so you should be getting them Wednesday. He also sent me a pair of LeBron postseasons, the Royal Blue Edition. I'll be reviewing those, so make sure you check those out. As you can see, I have the black laces. I also switched to the red, so you tell me. I kind of got to relace them, because I was doing it pretty quick. But let me know, black or red. Real nice. Sure you have your Foamposite material. Looks like this nubuck. Real nice. On the back you have your Penny logo with your red and black pull tab. And the inside is a black insole with a red Nike Air. I'll give you another angle. Definitely have to relace them. But there's the bottoms, brand new dead stock. You have your logo right there, your carbon fiber. Really like these shoes. I'm real happy I was able to get them. You can see the mesh with the varsity red running all up the tongue. The logo right there. And there's the red laces. The logo. So again, big shout out to Reezy. Make sure you check out his channel. This is NBA is Life 100. Peace.